So Nadeda bought us this huge TV. How do we know it's huge?
Because she's staring at the ball! And so am I! Oh my god, it's so huge!
Greetings friends and welcome to this week's video. I'm Chris. I'm certainly glad to have you here, and like I promised before, this week we're going to show you what we did to the party room. So upon immediately entering the room, we have these 6 recliners. We might end up doing a home theater somewhere else in the house, but right now we have them sitting here and it ends up working pretty good. They do have a massage function, which is awesome, so you can get a massage while you're laying there watching whatever we're watching. But we're probably watching this. Shameless plug. Past the home theater area, we have the bar. Somebody tell whoever lives here that they make meetings for people like this. I'm just kidding, of course. This is all sparkling cider. And let's see what else we got. Grape juice and all non-alcoholic stuff. Below that, we put in a little refrigerator. We can keep all this kind of stuff like waters, Humex, Coca-Cola, and whatever else we need to. We installed these 2 pendant lights in front of the bar. Behind the bar, I wanted multi-level look of lighting. I just couldn't find anything that I would like, so I was actually going to build us our own. Then I found these. These actually weren't meant to be multi-level, but I took it apart, I cut the wires, rewired the whole thing, and made it work, and Nadeda and I love it. We needed a chandelier for the tall part of the ceiling there, where we'll eventually put a high table. We found this one, and we think it's perfect. We'd love to know what your thoughts are though, so don't be afraid to leave some comments below, and also hit subscribe and the like button. We also finished off the bathroom in the party room, installing the vanity to the sink, the faucet, the mirror, the lights, and everything else we need in there. Nadeda had an awesome idea, got us this popcorn machine. Christian loves it, and so did Nadeda and I. We really like this room, so we grab our fake wine, our cheese trays, and other hors d'oeuvres, and we just enjoy the heck out of this space. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned next week when you'll see why sometimes the mansion sounds like we live in Jurassic Park. Until then, time for a massage and some awesome Lone Star Sully YouTube.